There is a very beautiful word in Sanskrit which describes the original cause of disease. It's called pragyaparad. Pragya means knowledge or wisdom or innate intelligence, and aparad means to offend. So in Ayurveda, the system of medicine from India many thousands of years ago, describes that the original cause of disease is pragyaparad. Pragyaparad means when we offend our own innate intelligence, our common sense, our experience, and our intuition. So one of the connections between cleansing and resetting is that when we eliminate offending foods and toxins and chemicals and herbicides and pesticides and start to go within a little bit more, breathing practices, healthy exercise, sweating, what happens is that the body's natural innate intelligence begins to manifest more clearly. By doing so, we can make better choices. Because when we're eating foods that are in the mode of what's described tamaguna, which means the mode of ignorance, means very highly processed foods with all kinds of chemicals and toxins, unnatural substances, when we're not getting enough air, when we're not exercising enough, when we're not taking some time to get quiet and to meditate, then we lose connection with an inner information center that we all have in our own being, in our own consciousness, in our own hearts, and we lose connection with that, and we start looking externally for all the health hacks perhaps, or fast routes to feeling better or health, but all along denying or ignoring that very brilliant, intuitive, common sense inner voice. When we lose connection with that, this is the origin of dis-ease. And so by doing so, we ended up taking in so many toxins into the body, doing so many things that are not beneficial for the body, for the mind, for the spirit, and eventually that leads to ill health. So one of the things that we focus on during the Total Life Cleanse is to not just eliminate toxic substances from our body, not just eliminate those toxins that have been stored in the body, in the cells, in the tissues of the body, in the fat, even the liver. Yes, we're focusing on these things, but not only that, we're focusing on our inner awareness. We're detoxifying the covering of our consciousness, detoxifying the covering of our common sense, detoxifying the covering of our innate intelligence and intuition. By doing so, it's much easier to naturally create a sense of balance and health in our bodies and minds. So this is one of the beautiful things about the Total Life Cleanse, and I invite all of you to check it out. Go to healingessencecenter.com, click on Total Life Cleanse. You'll see the information about the cleanse, and would be happy to answer any questions about it. It's time to elevate our health in body, mind, and spirit. Have a great day.